Charging adapter only. Compatible with models SD-425, SD-425S, SD-425 CAMO, and SD-825. It is not compatible with any others. Split plug charger to charge the remote transmitter and collar receiver at the same time. Charge your system in 2 hours, fits standard outlets. By designing our products in the field, with heat, cold, rain, snow, dust, mud, and wind in mind, SportDOG has become the most recognized brand in the electronic tracking and training categories, making the promise to always create gear the way you design it. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement for GS8000E collar system. I am so pleased with this product. We lost the charging cord for our remote and have been unable to use our system. This charger was an exact fit, and our controller is now being charged. This charger worked for our GS8000E collar system.